Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So this is in Lake Tahoe. And just a couple of weeks ago, we went to Lake Tahoe and skiing. And in the night, we look for a restaurant. Only the two of us, my family and I. So we were thinking, maybe we can go to some new, different place to try it out. And the place we live is actually we stayed in a very simple motel. There is no microwave. Maybe there is a microwave, but there's nothing to eat. We should eat. We have to eat outside. So my family looked around for places, and we searched online. And there is one place called Toulouse, and that name caught us attention. So Toulouse, so we searched, and the picture on the website is very beautiful. And Toulouse, it's a French restaurant, and in Lake Tahoe. So we were very surprised. So we decided to go there. We booked at 8:30. We arrived at 8 o'clock, and we were received by the host, the lady. She was absolutely a blast with charm, with welcoming, with warmth, with fun, with energy, with good vibe. I have no words to explain. And she said, "You wait just a few minutes, not long. Sit here." And we sit on near the counter place, and not in the counter. There were tables near the counter, so we sit there and have a cup of water. So we were drinking and look around. This is the best time, right? Look around in the restaurant to see the life unfold in front of your eyes. You read people, you see the people behavior, you see the food, and everything is just so interesting. I was absolutely enjoying my moment, and I was just admiring this lady. She not only one lady, everyone. Another reception lady and the lady who prepare to running around, what we call it, the service lady, and she knows everyone by name, and they hug each other, and if someone is leaving, "I will see you next time, come back soon." And yeah, it's just such a warmth and comfort. It's like you go to an old friend's house, or you go to a friend's house, and this house has a host in that household that is warm, comfortable, confident, and knows everything, knows the situation, knows what you want. That kind of a vibe is just so good. So I start to look around, and as we were waiting, it's just a couple of minutes. The two of us, we were chatting each other and look for some pictures of their food menu, and check about the history of this place. It looks quite an old place. It must be very historical, and Yeah, it looks like, and this area looks like in the 1960s, 70s, 80s, 1960s construction style. A little bit like Julia Morgan, that kind of wood and architectural art deco style, a little bit art deco, and a lot of simple, functional, and aesthetically designed architectural functions and features. It's very nice place, and so we were thinking this place must be developed during or after the Lake Tahoe Olympic game period. Anyway, so it's our time to eat, and before we eat, I finally figure out, no, I will put it in the bag. So we ordered, one is grit, they call it grit. Grit. I think it's a kind of Cajun style with, anyway, it's a soup, tomato soup, and with ladyfinger, okra, and some seafood flavor, some sausage flavor, Cajun sausage flavor, and it's quite interesting. And then we start to search why this food, Cajun food, what makes Cajun food Cajun? And actually they have a trinity, the golden trinity. So 3 ingredients they must use. We were thinking it's a carrot, celery, and onion. It's actually onion, capsicum, and tomato, and this is exactly. And tomato, onion, capsicum, and boiled, stir-fried, and softened, all the flavor melange together, mixed together, and it has created a new sweet, a little bit spicy, and they put some paprika, and a little bit sour, sweet, spicy, and a little bit salty, not too much salty, but it's a very well combined flavor. I liked it. So for myself, I have a kind of a rule. If I go to some place I do not know, and I do not know what to order, and I still want to have something to eat to fill my stomach, I usually order a burger. Is kind of a safe bet. There is at least a burger, bread, meat, vegetable, and usually it comes with a salad, with French fries. So I ordered it. And so this one, the meat is medium rare. It's very, very, very well, accurately executed, and the vegetable is fresh, and I enjoyed it. And instead of having French fry, I asked for salad. So it's a quite well balanced meal. You know, sometimes you go to restaurant, you order something, you do not know what it is. You can spend a lot of money and get a teeny tiny little thing surprise, but burger you never get too much surprise. There is always a patty, that is for sure. And yeah, this is what I order. and also in Chinese restaurant, if you go to a Chinese restaurant, you always ask for 木须肉. This is simple, easy, delicious, has everything, meat, egg, vegetable, everything with it. Okay, I'm a little bit too far. Anyway, this burger is good. I enjoy it. And my family asked the today special. The daily special is ahi tuna, grilled ahi tuna, and with some side. I think it's puree or something. And the ahi tuna is done very, very, very well. And the inside is tender and not raw. Raw is not the right word. It's just perfectly done, and inside is soft, tender, and not dried up. And on the crust, on the grill side, I think they put some flour or something, and it's juicy, crispy, and because it's fresh, so not much spice needed and not much spice used. So it's perfect. If you use a lot of spice on your fish, it's a good sign that that fish is not fresh, right? And this one, not much spice is used. Salt, pepper, grilled, maybe a little bit starch, dusted some starch on top of it. Nothing more complicated. It's simple, easy, fresh, and delicious. We enjoy it, and usually we do not eat dessert, but I just sneak peek on my neighbor's table. They have something looks really good, so I ordered this pistachio cheesecake. As you can see, not disappointed, right? The pistachio flavor is on point, and cream and fresh fruit on the side. It's winter, and it's ski season, and you get fresh fruit. I feel good. I feel so very good. So we shared it and enjoyed it. So this place, finally, we had time to search. This place was made, the restaurant was opened in 2021 after the pandemic. And it was actually a very new restaurant. But it looks so established, and they really have the charm that brings people coming here. The people eating in the restaurant, you can feel that they come here often. They know this place. They come here for a birthday. They come here for a special event. They come here for meeting friends. And it's just a very charming place. I absolutely enjoyed it. And I was not makeup, and I just finished the ski. I was just in my wearing my pyjama pants, and I do not look like dressed up. I was not, but they are very welcoming to everyone, and just a very fun place. So this place is established in 2021 and used an old building, and this building used to host different restaurants, steakhouse, and maybe because pandemic get that steakhouse closed, so they have this restaurant started, and it was started by the chef here with 4 friends, and the 4 friends met each other. They did for long time friends. One day they were in New Orleans. In New Orleans, in one street called Toulouse, and they met. They chat, and they started the idea. Why not we make a restaurant? So they made this restaurant in Lake Tahoe and named it Toulouse by the name of the street they meet. And the food is inspired by Cajun food. And the four friends, they have a good energy, and they nurture a local feel, and they host some music concert, and musicians come here. So it's a very successful business, and really fun, that place. I enjoyed so much. And that warmth, that comfort, that welcoming, good vibe is very, very empowering. Yeah. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Go, go, bye. Yeah, bye, 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 bye.